Hello, everyone. My name is Luisa. This is my colleague, Pete, and we are ebankIT. At ebankIT, our digital banking platform delivers outstanding digital experiences, not only for financial institutions' customers, but also for the staff that works at back office and front office. Because for us, it's not just channels. We are talking about a fully managed digital experience. We're talking about transactions, onboarding, we're talking about notifications, security, and so on. However, today we're not going to show you any of this. We are going to show you instead what you can do with the power of our platform combined with open APIs to help you expand the services that you have while disrupting the customer experience.
OK, thank you, Luisa. So this is our standard app. So this is a normal banking app. So it's giving me a little bit of information pre-login, some banners at the bottom. I'm just going to log in with Face ID. Can I hand that to you, please?
Sure.
OK, so this is just now logging in. This is my main account. So this is just my GB pounds account. But I also have some other accounts. So I have US dollars, Canadian dollars, crypto. So some of these are brought in using open banking. So we brought them in from other banks. And if we scroll down, we see context menus against each of the accounts. It's showing you my spending habits, so what I'm doing here, and also some of the transactions below. OK, but as Luisa said, we're not here to show you any of this stuff today. So I'd like to show you something different, something new. This is the ebankIT Concierge. So this is using AI and just a little bit of machine learning from the previous presenter. OK, so that's what it's using. To give me an in-context experience. So if you think about it, my device knows a lot about me. It knows my location, where I am. It knows what I like, what I buy. It knows my browsing habits. There we go. But if we just take a look, I see there's an alert. So can we just take a look at the alerts? OK, so it's got a couple of alerts here. So the first one is just telling me my insurance is on. OK, so I have my insurance set to auto-insure. So when I leave my home country, which is the United Kingdom, it automatically switches on. So there's some information and data points about that. And then I see it also says, actually, my device is not insured. So one of the other options there is device insurance. OK, it's not a bad rate, £1.86 a week. But you know what? I'm not going to bother. So forget that. Let's not insure. OK, let's go and do something a little bit more interesting. So again, using the concierge and using the ebankIT API gateway, we're going to just connect to some really non-financial services-related services. So Louisa, let's what should we do something to eat? Yeah.
Eat.
OK, so when do we want to go?
Let's go tonight.
OK, tonight. What sort of time?
Around 8-ish.
8-ish? OK, go for it.
Oh, sorry. And we're here.
8 p.m. is good. OK, just me. Well, it'd be a bit sad, really, if it was just me going. But so let's have friends. Let's pretend I have some friends. This is my address book. So I could go and pick some friends out of this. But if we select the near me, OK, so now the concierge is using the app to check who else here has got our app. And hopefully, we'll find a few. OK, so there's 6. Oh, there's 7. OK, so the top 6 are my ebankIT colleagues who are littered amongst you in the audience today. I see that there's a random person, Wilson Santos, who someone's managed to download our app. And, well, bad luck, buddy. You're not coming for dinner with us. So, Louisa, can you select your 4 favorite co-workers?
No.
OK, just select 4 completely at random. But everyone here knows that you're going to pick your 4 friends. OK, there we go. Let's go. OK, so now we're using the Open Table API, OK, public API, directly from the banking app. It's using my previous settings, what I like to eat, which is mainly meat-based meals. So is there anything on there you like the look of?
Yeah, I want to go to this one, to Porterhouse.
Porterhouse, OK, great choice. Let's go for it. OK, now, this may not work because it may be full, but let's see if it's going to get us a reservation. Yeah, OK, it did. OK, so that's it for tonight. OK, let's go. Let's move on. OK, so now the concierge has updated it. So we've sent out, we've notified our friends, we've sent out a calendar invite, and now it's suggesting that we might need an Uber. OK, so I'll explain why we've selected Uber in a moment. OK, so again, it's reasonably smart. It knows that there are 6 of us or 5 of us in the group, so we need an XL. So let's go with that. And again, now it's using the Uber public API to make that reservation. Which it's doing, it's going to reserve it from wherever we happen to be location-wise at the time. OK, and let's finish off with, let's go somewhere. Let's do something else. Maybe after dinner. OK, so now this is pre-cached. It's pre-cached some of my favorites. OK, so we figured out that we're having dinner in now. So OK, if you're going to have dinner, you might want to do something. So can you pick one of those, please? There we are. That one, the all-star comedy. OK, so again, this is now using, here it is. There it is. It's using Ticketmaster, the Ticketmaster Open API, directly from the banking app to go and make a reservation. OK, so can we add that to the wallet? Okay, so now that reservation is in my wallet, it's all done. So now I just want to show you how we set some of that up. So if we go to the More option on our banking app, okay, so this is where I can set some of my settings. I can choose my security. I can choose my preferences. But if we go to Connections, so these are some of the connections that we've enabled directly from the app. So you see there, Uber is selected, OpenTable, and Ticketmaster. So we can include some more, so maybe Booking.com, and maybe Facebook. So Facebook, it's a lot of data and information about me. So the more data points we can feed into the concierge, the more contextual experience that I will get. Okay, now if I select the voting button at the bottom, so this is something we encourage a lot of our customers to do, which is to invite their own customers to choose and select new features that they might want in the apps. In this case, these are connections, additional connections. So maybe, Louisa, maybe we can pick, I don't know, Airbnb and TripAdvisor. Okay, so we'll vote for those. Okay? Cool, great. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now my concierge has been slightly smart. It has an accelerometer built into it. Has my phone broken? No, it's fine. Okay, so maybe I should insure it now. Okay.
Yeah, Pete, I'm so sorry about that.
Okay.
I don't know if you know, guys, but only 15% of millennials are actually happy with the mobile experience. So there's a lot of room for improvement. Because if you place the right platform at the center, you can actually leverage the data that you have about your clients and deliver optimized and focused experiences.
So put ebankIT at the center, and you can deliver an outstanding customer experience, world-class innovation, and open up and extend it to new lines of business. Okay, if you'd like to know more, please come and see us at our stand. We've been ebankIT. Thank you very much.
Thank you.